All right, we're back with part number 2. We just finished up this one considering limiting reagents, and we calculated this out, and we said, well, if I use all 1.9 moles of this, the CO, that's what we got there, I'm going to need 3.8 moles of H2. Do I have 3.8? Yep, I got some extra. I got 4.1. All right, so I think, yep, that's the next question. It says, how much of the excess reagent is left in number 5? So we have to figure that out. So that means we're going to go with, they gave me 4.1 moles of H2, and we're going to subtract what we're going to use, which is 3.8 moles of H2. Subtract those, and you get 0.3 moles of H2 excess or extra left over. Alright, so that was number 6. Number 7 says how much product will be formed. We got to do this. We got to go X moles of this one. So we're going to find out how many moles that'll be made. So let me turn this so we can get down to the other end of the board. So we got to use our limiting reagent, which is this one. So we're going to use our moles to moles. Well, it's 1 mole of CO. We'll make 1 mole of CH3OH. Well, it's a 1 mole ratio. That's cool. What we got for CO, we really have 1.9 moles of CO. And we want to find out mu X moles of CH3OH. That's what we'll make. Cross multiply, well, that's 1 times X equals 1 times 1.9. Well, that's all 1, so X ends up equaling the same number. 1.9, but now it's moles of CH3OH. So that's how much of the product we'll make is 1.9 moles of this guy, if we have 1.9 moles of CO in this. All right, that concludes number 7. Now it's time to move on to number 8. Number 8, we changed the balanced equation again. So we got to erase all this stuff. Erase the balanced equation, which is our recipe. Alright, so my recipe now is 4 phosphoruses plus 5 O2s. That will make 2 P2O5s. Alright, on this one, it's saying how many molecules of P2O5? So we want X molecules of this guy. Given that we got from 35 liters of O2, so we got 35.0 liters of this. Ooh, we're starting at liters because that's the one that's got a number, and we're going to molecules. Well, nothing over here will get me on all of those steps all at once. Right? So on my cheat sheet, there's nothing that'll do it all. So it's going to take multiple steps. So the first thing we got is liters. Well, the only one that's liters is the red guy over here. So that means we're going to go, we got 22.4 liters of O2 is 1 mole of O2. That was the first half of the ratio over here. Then we go from the question, well, I don't have 22.4, I got 35.0 liters of O2. And I want to find X moles of O2, that is. So from there, we're going to cross multiply and solve that. Flip my page over so I get my numbers. So we got 22.4 times X equals 1 times 35.0. Get X by itself. And X ends up equaling 1.56. And that is moles of O2. So we know that this now is 1.56 moles. So we don't need the 35 anymore. All right, so now we got to go moles of this to moles of that. That's going to be the first process. We got to get from one substance to the other. So I'm going to use that 5 moles of O2 from the balanced equation. Gives me 2 moles of P2O5. That's from there. So that's why it's black. It's coming from the balanced equation. Then we go, well, I don't have 5 moles, but I got 1.56 moles of O2. And we want to find out X, and this will be moles of P2O5. Why am I not going straight to molecules? Because I can't get straight to molecules yet. So cross multiplying this. 5 times X equals 2 times 1.5. Divide by 5, divide by 5. X equals 0.62. And that's moles of P2O5. So we now know that this guy over here equals 0.624 moles. All right. So now that we have that in moles, now we can change it into molecules. We're going to do that way down here on the far end. So doing it in molecules, I'm going to use 6.02 times 10 to the 23rd is 1 mole of P2O5. All right. That came from my cheat sheet. Let me move this over because that looks a little too much, doesn't it? There we go. All right. So now I go, well, that equals, I don't have 1 mole of it. I got 0.624 moles of P2O5. Now I'm going to find out X molecules of P2O5. Okay. So cross multiply and solve. We got X times 1 equals 6.02 times 10 to the 23rd times 0.624. If you solve that, type it into your calculator, you're going to get 3.76 times 10 to the 23rd, and that's molecules of P2O5, and that's what they wanted, molecules of P2O5. All right, so that's my final answer on that one. Phew, goodness, that was a lot of work on that one. All right, but that actually concludes our review sheet. So remember, tomorrow you're going to have a test over this stuff. All right, it's going to be all sorts of problems very similar to these, different recipes, different balanced equations, and different numbers, the red numbers up on top. So you gotta know how to do all this stuff. Use that cheat sheet, all right, that I gave you, that gives you all the ratios. So with that, we'll see you next time. Have a great day.